So, okay, viewers, today we are connecting with Lakshmi from Chennai, who will be sharing his experience with respect to the US CPA course with our AKPS Institute. So, hello, Lakshmi.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Very good. So, first, introduce yourself to the viewers.
I'm Lakshmi Narasimhan, a qualified chartered accountant, forensic auditor. Also, I'm currently associated with Ramco Systems as a business analyst. I started my CPA classes in AKPS Institute. I'm attending auditing and FAR classes.
Okay, so if I talk about the classes pattern of AKPS Institute, so I would like to know from your end how important it is actually for the student to come across the multiple choice questions and the simulations guidance from the time to time which is taken up in the sessions.
Yeah,
Because yeah, please.
After completing the CA, it's a descriptive thing, and while attempting for CPA, it's totally different. Like it will be MCQ kind of thing, and simulation will be there. And if we go something wrong in anything, then we might be losing the entire mark. So we should be knowing the knack of attending. We should know what exactly they were expecting us from. So will be tested there will be 2 to 3 options that will be so similar, and we'll have to choose the best from that option. So sometimes the elimination pattern will work
That means
which
along with the
one.
curriculum, it is equally important to cover the multiple choice questions and the simulations in the
Yes,
class because they are highly beneficial as it is done in our classes. Now, I would
yes,
like to ask,
exactly.
right, I would like to ask one thing from you, Lakshmi, as to how easy it is for a chartered accountant to, justify the curriculum of US CPA course. Can
Yeah.
you compare with the normal, commerce graduates? So, how the chartered accountant actually finds the curriculum of US CPA course?
Since most of the concepts are already covered in CA, we will be in a position to get how it is in India and how it is in CPA. If we know the difference, then we'll be able to comprehend both the things simultaneously. So, knowing the difference will be the major work that we'll have to do, and uh, and we'll also be upgraded to international standards by doing CPA.
So sometimes the all the aspirants of the chartered account, the this US CPA course who are actually a chartered accountants, they find themselves in a confusing state of mind as to how long it will actually take to justify this course and all that. So what kind of message do you want to give to those chartered accountants? How easy it is for a chartered accountant to crack the US CPA course?
Since most of the concepts that we have covered in final itself, if we take up FAR, deferred tax asset was a major thing that we have covered in CA final. Leases we have covered in CA final. So we have the comprehensive coverage in CA final itself. So we'll just have to upgrade to US GAAP. That's it. So concept and logic will be the same for any situation. So since we know the logic already, so it's easy to implement in US GAAP as well.
So Lakshmi, tell me what is the importance of the live classes in the US CPA course?
If I'll be getting so many doubts even when a concept is delivered, so I'll be getting numerous number of doubts. So when I get the doubts, I get instant answers from the faculty. So that will give me much more clarity rather than having the doubt staying in mind for a long time. If we have to study offline means, then we'll be going through the video, and all our doubts will be stagnated, and we may not get the light of it may not get clarified. So when it gets clarified by the faculty immediately, so we'll be in the same line. So whatever they are taking and whatever I comprehend will be in the same line. So live class will be like we tend to get
avoid procrastination, right?
Uh, uh,
Okay. So, when it comes to the comparison between the live classes and the totally recorded classes, so what is your, opinion in this very particular context as to how important live classes they actually are when they are compared with the pre-recorded sessions where you can't have a, connectivity with the faculty directly at that point of time?
since we have to attend the live classes, the faculties are actually pushing us to complete that whatever they have taken in the last class. They are pushing us to complete the MCQs and simulation part before the next class starts. So that will give us the initial push, motivation that we need to have. So if it is a recorded session, it will be like we can do it aram say, and we can do it next day, or that gets postponed. That might get even till the exam date. So if we have that live classes, we are accountable to our faculties. So to answer them, or to be in line with their teaching. So if we don't attend MCQs or simulations before a class, means then they will be taking to the next level. We may be in level 1 itself, but they may be going to level 5, level 6, level 7. So we may not be moving along with them. So once we complete all the MCQs and simulations alongside the chapters that they take, so we'll be in same line, and they will also be seeing that growth, maturity in us.
Lakshmi, what kind of support is given to the US CPA aspirants from our institute who always stay connected with us from time to time if they have any query or doubt at any point of time?
Yeah. Sometimes I'll be getting huge number of doubts, and some may be silly or something. And I'm so proud, like all the faculties that I've attended, they are so patient enough to solve even the silliest doubts, and they help us out. Like they are into this, like they want us. They want me to know all the things from end to end. So they are making sure, like I don't miss out on any concept or clarity in logic. So whenever I ask doubts, so I will be getting instant clarity from them, so that I'll also be. It's so easy to study the material after attending the classes. If we have doubts, and if we take up the books, then we may not know the exact intention on which that material was written.
Right.
So,
and what is the importance of getting your doubts resolved timely, which is always our first endeavor in the institute to get the queries on the doubts resolved timely?
Once we are clarified with all the doubts, so we'll be like having the conceptual clarity. So based on that, we'll be able to attend any MCQs or simulations, whatever has been asked for. CPA is not like a 12th or BCom exam where the same questions will be repeated, or there'll be a blueprint wherein these type of questions only will be tested. So CPA is mostly a competitive, globally recognized exam. So we'll have to have that conceptual clarity, so that whatever they are testing for, we should be in a position to handle that. So we should equip ourselves. So
Lakshmi, you are studying in the fast track batch of chartered accountants for US CPA course. So how important actually is the fast track batch for the chartered accountant for this US CPA exam?
Okay. If we take up BCom exam, BCom students attending CPA, like they'll be so new to the course, and faculties might have to take 2 to 3 times same concepts to make them understand what the concept is, and how to understand. Since we have that experience of attending CEA classes, and we know the exact concept already, so it's like a refreshing, and any difference will be taught into us. So if we attend, and when same concept is repeated 2 to 3 times, we may get fatigued. So when we have that fast track revision, so it's more like a refresher course, and we'll be having better involvement in this course. So not to get fatigued and not to lose the motivation.
Right.